So guys, welcome to the channel. See me invest. Once again, we're making investment choices, our opportunities. Today we're going to talk about crypto.com, and we're also going to talk about price alerts and how you can actually set your price alerts on your crypto.com exchange on your app. So if the price goes up or price goes down, you'll be able to get alerted on your phone whether to buy or sell your crypto coin. So for that matter, let's get right to it. So if you guys hit the like and subscribe button. Yeah, and also if you don't have crypto.com and you're looking to invest into crypto, the link is in the description as well. So use our referral link, and in that way, you guys get some extra bonuses as well for signing up. So for example, I'm gonna set a price alert for XRP since XRP is my favorite token. I've been investing into it, and if you watch our last video on how to set up, you can see how to buy and sell XRP as well. So for those who have your account, I'm already logged into my account. You can see here on the home page, if you just click on XRP itself, it will populate. And if you look in the top right hand corner, this bell icon next to the star, this star button is your favorite. That's how you favorite your coin. You can just unclick it and then click it. You can see it added to your favorite list. So if you just click on this bell button up here, you can see XRP price alerts. You can either set an exact target price or a percentage move. So what I like to do is I like to do a little bit of both. I have certain target price, as you can see in the background here. So for example, let's set a target price. So right now it shows you up here, I'm in XRP and I want to set a price alert. And right now XRP, and this is Canadian dollars, is at $4.01. So it actually, if you watch my previous video, it has actually went up. So we made some profit within a span of 24 hours, which is good, which is always good. So say, for example, I want to set a price alert for XRP. I'll just delete this, and I want to set a price alert for, let's say, $4 and let's say 15 cents. 15 cents, right? So that's a 3.5% increase from where it's at right now, right? And if you want to do a percentage, you just go over, click percentage, and you can scroll down right here and you can set the percentage. You want to do a 10%, 20%, 30%, and you can see the increase, 50% increase price alerts. But like I said, I set my price alert that I'm going to be setting today because if it will populate. Okay, there we go. I'm going to do it $4.15, which is a 3.5% price increase on that. And I'm going to set alert, and boom, you can see at the very top here. Oh, and I set it for one time. So if you click here at the bottom, I want it to repeat constantly. So every time, because the market fluctuates, it goes up and down, or it consolidates, right? I want it to be repeating. Like, so if it goes up to 115 and then it drops back down to if it goes up to $4.15 and it drops back down to $4 and then it goes back up to $4.15, I want to get an alert every single time, right? So that's how I would set that alert, or I can just do it for one time or once a day or whatever. But I like to keep it on repeat. I like to know what's going on a repeated basis because I'm an active trader, right? So I like to see what's going on too and take profits. And when it drops below, I like to buy back in. When it goes up, take more profit, because I buy and sell crypto on a daily basis, right? So I set the alert, and then boom, you can see it right there. It's changed to repeated, and you can see some of all my alerts that I have set up on the account, right? I have tons of alerts. I have for Bitcoin. Once Bitcoin hits 145,000, 150,000 Canadian, 155,000 Canadian, I'm getting these alerts set, right? And you can see XRP, once it goes over $4 Canadian, once it drops down to $3.95 Canadian, $3.90, $3.85, $3.80. So yeah, I set a lot of alerts because, like I said, I take profit I sell high, take profits, and then I buy back in when the market drops. All right. So this is a quick video on just how to set price alerts for your crypto.com accounts, for those of you who have been asking how to set up price alerts. So if you like this video, hit the like button. It doesn't cost you anything to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the new videos that we do set up and whatnot. I'm also going to do a video on how to set up recurring buys as well. If you guys have any questions or anything you guys want me to talk about as well, just let me know. Right? This is a crypto bull market. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for tuning into the channel. See Me Invest. We're here remaking investment choices, opportunities. Thank you guys and have a great day.